video about fix and repair again. I made this long time ago. I learned how to make accessories. Look at this. It's broken. I should connecting this one and this one, but it cannot be connected anymore. And the thing that I can use to fix it is left in other city in Surabaya, in my second home. So I will combine it with my dress. This is ordinary white dress, and I will ask the tailor to sew it here, so it will become like a vintage dress. What do you think about my idea? Someone told me that it's a good idea. It's like vintage. Even the different colors, okay. The first one. And I have two skirts. I have two skirt and a short pant. Remember, you can fix or repair your old things. Just ask the tailor if she or he can do it. This is too big now. Before it's small, but it's still good. The fabric is still good. So I will ask them to change this, the rubber, so I can reuse it. And this is the pant, same problem. It becomes so loose, so I will ask them to change it. Okay? I will go to the tailor and ask them to do it for me, and I will pay them and let them have more money for their life sustainability. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Hi, welcome back. I already fixed it. The rubber. Now it fits my body again. This is short pant. You can use it as like underskirt, underpants, safety pants. You wear like long skirt. This same rubber. And this is the one. It looks good, right? It looks like a brand new dress. So I don't have to buy the new one. Remember, you have to become creative, fix and repair. Do not always try to buy something new. Okay, bye bye.